So for your activity this week, you're going to need a couple of things. A bowl with water and a couple of drips of dish soap in it. You're going to need some plastic animals or character toys. A little bit of paint, any color. I'm making mine brown for Mud, since Mudge's feet got muddy and he left footprints through the house. And some paper of some kind. Obviously, we're going to be making muddy footprints. To practice skills for speech and language, you can ask me for advice, but you can practice speech sounds by thinking of what things you might say that have your sound in them. Like spider, ooh, creepy, has that sound. And when you count, you can practice your F sound for 4 and 5. You can sort the animals by type, jungle, farm, ocean. Those are the ones I have here. Or you can even give them nicknames to work with. You could talk about how they're the same or different, if they're big or they're little, they have stripes or spots. Anything, really. So we're going to start by just putting a few feet in the mud. I'm going to stomp these feet in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do they look nice and muddy? And now we can walk across the paper. Do you see his footprints? I do. I see his footprints. He made a lot of footprints. He stepped 1, 2, 3 times on the paper. And how many feet does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 feet on the horse. I'm going to set him up here. Try to remember which one he is. Let's see who else we can have crawl across the paper. How about this guy? Do you know who that is? It's a penguin. How many feet does a penguin have? 1, 2. 2 feet. And he has a tail. Let's get his tail in the mud too, should we? There's his feet in the mud. And now his tail is in the mud. Now let's let him step on the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we see what the penguin's feet look like. We can make this into a guessing game and see if you can remember whose footprints are whose. Let's do one more animal just to show you how. What animal is this? It's a whale. He lives in the water. So let's get his fins in and his tail. Get it nice and muddy. Ready to see the whale leap across the paper? 1, 2, 3. Well, that got messy, didn't it? That's super muddy. I really like that one on the bottom with his tail. Let's see if you can remember. What animal did we have walk across the paper first? It was the horse, you're right, and his 4 feet. What one did we have walk across the paper second in the middle? It was the penguin. And who was last? The whale. The whale. Well, now they're all dirty, aren't they? We're going to have to give them a bath. That's where our bowl of water comes in. We also need a little whisk if you're brave. Whisk it up and get it nice and soapy. So many bubbles. Remember in our story, Mudge had a bubble bath, didn't he? Did Mudge like taking baths? Nope. Right, Henry had to get him with him. He kept running away and hiding. All right, we have nice soapy water. Maybe we better put our girl in first so they have company in the bathtub. And pop, in goes the whale. In goes the horse. And in goes the penguin. And we can give them a bath and then dry them with a towel. You're right, we can dry them with a towel. Or maybe they can shake off like Mudge did. So this is an activity you can try. Get your animals, get your paint, get your paper, and get some soapy water to wash them all when you're done. See you later.